Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about High Tide accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment for the online portion of their business. So there's a lot of hype. There's a huge community behind Dogecoin, and Elon Musk is the meme king of 420. So it makes a lot of sense. Like, I don't know if management will do this, but it makes a lot of sense for management to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment for the online store. I don't know if they will do it, but it would be a great way of promoting their business, promoting their company, and getting more investor and customer exposure by accepting Dogecoin as a payment on the online platform. So if you scroll further down, you notice that they accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Bitcoin. They can easily add Dogecoin to this payment option. If they do, I'm thinking that a lot of YouTubers, maybe some YouTubers, might come out and talk about it. They might make videos about it, and the Dogecoin community might, use their Dogecoin to buy some of their accessories online. Again, this is my opinion, and yes, I am a shareholder now of High Tide, and I am not bank holding at the current moment, but if the stock price continues to decline, I will become a bank holder. But if I become a bank holder, I'm just gonna slowly add on to my position. That is my plan moving forward. Anyway, so the brands. So currently, High Tide has about 4 online brands for the online store: Smoke Cartel, Grass City, CBD City, and Fab CBD. So they could potentially add Dogecoin to 4 of their online stores. So, and I would love to see this press release, because that will definitely bring in more investors and customers. So I don't know, like, at the end of the day, I don't know what High Tide plan is, but they do accept Bitcoin, so I don't see why they wouldn't accept Dogecoin, or maybe even add in Ethereum too. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Why not? Just saying. So, anyways, Dogecoin right now is trading at 37 cents. The hype, is kind of over for Dogecoin. Like the big hype when Elon Musk pumped it to 70 cents with the SNL, and then it sold off. Now it's trading around 37 cents. I still believe that one day, in the future, maybe in 2022, sometime in 2022, I think Dogecoin could be trading above $1 when Elon Musk launches Dogecoin to the moon. Again, that is my opinion. So, I mean, I don't know for sure at the end of the day. And I also think that Dogecoin is dictated on the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes to $100,000, Dogecoin could go all the way up to $1. So only time will tell where the market will push Dogecoin. Anyways, Midas Letter did an interview video on Raj Grove with High Tide. I would play a little bit of the video, but I think I got a copyright strike from Midas Letter in the past because I took some Cam Batley videos and I played it on my channel, and they didn't like it, and they gave me a copyright strike. And so I'm probably not gonna do it with High Tide. But it was an interesting video. Definitely check it out if you haven't seen it. So yeah, so let's just talk about High Tide quickly, the stock price. So currently, High Tide has a market cap of $490 million. So if this thing goes to 20, that would be making it $100 billion market cap, $1 billion market cap. Remember how I said that the NASDAQ listing won't matter too much, and I made a video about it, and people were like so pissed off. They're like, "You're an idiot! NASDAQ is going to matter. NASDAQ is going to push high tide to the moon." Well, as the stock went up, and as soon as the NASDAQ listing came out, boom, it went down to $10.12. So does the NASDAQ listing matter? Well, I mean, according to the chart pricing action, so far it doesn't matter. So far it doesn't matter because the stock price declined as soon as the NASDAQ listing came out. So, it is what it is. I mean, I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so. I told you that it doesn't matter. So what would move the stock? Well, the only thing that would move the stock is good earnings. When High Tide comes out and they report, positive EBITDA, positive net income, good earnings report, I think, investors are going to look at it. Institutions are going to look at it and they're like, oh, look, High Tide's doing pretty good. Let's pump the stock. That's what I think it will ultimately pump the stock. I mean, yeah, the Wall Street bets can come out and they could be like, let's buy High Tide stock, and then that could push it up. But right now, Wall Street bet is only after stocks that are heavily shorted, and High Tide is not heavily shorted. At least I don't think so. Could be wrong. I don't think they're heavily shorted. Only 523,000, 500,000 shares shorted on the venture, but I don't know about the NASDAQ. I don't think the NASDAQ would be heavily shorted right now because yeah, well, we don't even know because it's such a new stock that not much shorting going on. I don't think there's even options yet for High Tide, but give it time. I think High Tide will gain traction over time, especially if they come with positive earnings. We'll see what happens. And if High Tide accepts Dogecoin, who knows? Maybe Elon Musk might come out and pump High Tide stock, Just maybe, Just maybe, there's that small 0.001% chance. I mean, Elon Musk can't really he can't really say anything about any publicly traded company because the SEC would, attack him. So, he has to be careful about what he tweets. But who knows? Maybe he'll slip up a little bit and talk a little bit about High Tide and talk about a little bit about Dogecoin, and we could be seeing the moon with High Tide. Who knows? At the end of the day, we'll see. But anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.